Hello, my dear friends. So you are interested in being a member in my channel. In fact, I am sure you will be a member of this channel. Welcome for a course. As you are already aware, I am Anand. I am a professional psychologist and psychotherapist with an experience of more than 15 years. Now on, I consider you as a member of my channel and I thank you for that. Channel membership comes with some perks and benefits which should be beneficial for every member. My expertise include child, adolescent and adult psychology and mental health issues concerning them. Anxiety disorders, depression and other mental health problems can be corrected with the help of proper diagnosis and therapy methods and lifestyle changes. This channel videos cover all the topics related to psychology and mental health. I plan for a video every week for all my subscribers. For members, there will always be additional benefits. Channel membership comes with 3 levels: motivated gold member, motivated platinum member and motivated diamond member. Each member will benefit from an array of unique features like members only videos, live chat facilities, weekly live stream participation, one-to-one consultation or discussion with me online as well as through telephone or video chat. You can go through the membership perks detailed to understand them better. I am sure each member will be in a beneficial situation. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and take a membership of your choice. Allow me to be your guide, mentor and therapist.